What if I told you that one of the most fascinating cities in the world, Baghdad, was born from a perfect circle? No, not metaphorically. We're talking about a city that was literally designed as a giant circle. Welcome to the round city of Baghdad. The year is 762 AD. The Abbasid Caliph, Al-Mansur, dreams of building a new capital, one that would eclipse all others, a city of power, knowledge, and beauty. So he gathers astronomers, engineers, and architects. And they don't just sketch out a blueprint, they draw a circle. A huge one, almost 2 kilometers in diameter, symmetrical, harmonious, inspired by the heavens. Using celestial calculations, they align the city with the stars, literally designing Baghdad as a reflection of divine order. At its center, the Golden Gate Palace and the Great Mosque, symbolizing the union of political and spiritual authority. 4 streets stretched out like cardinal points, connecting the heart of the city to the empire beyond. Within a few decades, Baghdad became the beating heart of the Islamic Golden Age, a center for scholars, philosophers, and scientists. Role of China? It arrived here. Greek texts? Translated here. Algebra? Developed, well, here. Think of it as Silicon Valley, Oxford, and Wall Street all rolled into one city over 1,000 years ago. But even greatness is not invincible. In 1258, the Mongols invaded Baghdad, leaving a trail of devastation in their wake. The round city, almost lost to time. And yet, the legacy lives on. In the streets, in the libraries, in the spirit of resilience. The round city was not just a feat of urban planning, it was a bold statement. Here, knowledge reigns. Want to learn more about the ancient world? Click the subscribe button and dive into the stories that shaped our world.